In a move that has left enthusiasts scratching their heads and futurists cheering, Honda is officially pivoting from high-octane performance to urban practicality. The same facility that once birthed the legendary Acura NSX will now manufacture the eQuad, a tiny, boxy electric delivery vehicle. Yes, you heard that right. The Honda NSX is dead, and in its place comes something completely different, a micromobility electric quadricycle. Honda has launched a new company called Fastport, which will focus on last-mile urban transport solutions. The first product from Fastport is this curious little EV, set to debut at Eurobike later this month. The eQuad isn't built to tear up racetracks or carve mountain roads. Instead, it's designed to navigate urban chaos, glide through bike lanes, and deliver your groceries, parcels, and packages faster and cleaner. It might not be sexy, but it's a sign of the times: clean, efficient, and functional. The eQuad will come in two size variants, small and large, each tailored for different urban delivery needs. The small eQuad measures 139.3 inches in length, 39.4 inches in width, and 82.7 inches in height. Its large sibling stretches to 144 inches long, 48 inches wide, and 84 inches tall. Both versions are built for nimble, compact performance in congested city environments. Cargo space ranges from 96 to 148 cubic feet, or 2,718 to 4,191 liters. That's enough to haul a day's worth of parcels for your local delivery driver, all while staying off the main roads and out of heavy traffic. From a design perspective, the eQuad is unapologetically utilitarian. It's essentially a box on four wheels, equipped with a bike-style seat, handlebars, and a large display that serves as both instrument cluster and infotainment system. There's also a canopy for weather protection, mirrors, lights, and even a built-in fan to keep the driver cool during deliveries. Performance-wise, this isn't your average electric car. It's more of a sophisticated pedal-assisted vehicle. The eQuad pops out at just 12 miles per hour, meaning it fits comfortably within bike lane regulations. The small eQuad promises a range of up to 23 miles, depending on the load, thanks to its pedal-by-wire pedal-assist drivetrain. Notably, Honda opted for a swappable battery system, making it easy to extend usage times without the need for long charging sessions. It also features regenerative braking and automatic parking brakes, both useful features for stop-and-go delivery scenarios. While this may sound like a world away from the V6 hybrid-powered NSX, the eQuad will actually be built in the same Honda Performance Manufacturing Center in Ohio, previously the production site for the NSX Supercar. That's right, the same facility that produced a high-performance machine capable of over 190 miles per hour will now churn out compact electric pods that barely touch 12 miles per hour. Honda's shift from building supercars to building sustainable, low-speed delivery vehicles represents a radical but necessary adaptation to the times. With growing urban populations and the surge in online shopping, last-mile delivery is becoming a key transportation challenge, and Honda wants to be at the forefront of solving it. The first eQuad deliveries will begin in late 2025 in Europe and North America, with production expected to ramp up throughout 2026. It may not stir the soul like the NSX, but in its own quiet way, the eQuad is Honda's statement on the future: electric, efficient, and purpose-built for modern life. So, while we say farewell to the NSX, we welcome a new chapter, one that doesn't roar, but quietly hums toward a greener future.